Good morning. Good morning. At least for me, it's good morning, you guys. I got my drink here. I got my coffee, and we're gonna go ahead and get myself ready for today because I actually got to be somewhere. So, if you're interested on what I put on this face, then keep watching. So, jumping right into this, I am gonna start off with my brows, and I don't want like a super dark brow. So I'm going in, you guys. I'm still in love with this pencil here. This is from AOA Studios. I just go to my local mall and I go into the store and I pick it up. This one here is in the shade dark brown, and this is what I'm going to use to do like not quite dramatic, but um I won't say too lightly, but this is what I'm going to use to do my brows with. Yeah, I'm going to go in with some lip balm here, and I'm just using the Aqua 4 lip repair. So I'm not sure if y'all heard, but I know there's some stuff going on with Elf apparently. Y'all, I haven't really got too in depth with it, but you know what? We doing an affordable everyday look today. And y'all, guess what? We going in with Elf here, okay? So this is the Elf liquid poreless putty primer, but before I put that on, I'm saying affordable, but I need my face to stay on my face. You know, yeah, we are. We're gonna do everything affordable. We're not gonna use this one. We're gonna go in with the Elf Power Grip Matte Primer. We're gonna do this one first, and I haven't used this in a while, you guys. I actually forgot how it works, and I'm gonna put it everywhere where I get oily in this heat. I think today is in the 90s, and I think last week it was in the hundreds. So it should be okay for today. Next, I'm going to go in with a poreless liquid putty primer to help with my, and I will admit something. My pores are not as big as they were like 2 years ago, which is a good thing. It's a really good thing. I guess the skincare, um, the new skin scare, the new skincare I am doing for my face, it is really working. Like, since our look is going to be affordable everyday makeup look, we're going to go ahead and continue with ELF. We're going to go in with the ELF Soft Glam Satin Foundation. It's a buildable, it's a medium buildable, long lasting coverage. Um, we're not going to use a lot of this. When I mean a lot, not use a lot, I mean like I'm using a big old sponge to put it all over my face. And like, we're not putting a lot. So I have this big old, I want to call it a body sponge, but hey, this is the cleanest sponge I got right now, okay? Right here. Plus, I need to buy some more. So we're just going to use this. Like I said, we're going to do a light cover. I probably will put my sponge is wet. I probably will add a little bit more because it is hot. It is summertime, and I don't want too much on my face where it feels like I got a lot of crap on my face. So I wasn't even squeezing the bottle either. I'm just like patting it on. Oh, that's enough coverage for me. That is more than enough. Okay. Now that I got that on my face, I know it's supposed to be affordable, but y'all, I do not have an affordable concealer. I'm trying to use up what's in my makeup drawer, and y'all, I kind of did a declutter last week. I haven't got rid of everything. It's over here sitting on the floor. I'm gonna do a video on that right after this. But we're gonna go in with my heart shape tape because that's the concealer I have, and I'm using what I got in my collection. I know it's kind of late, but y'all, I'm thinking about doing a project pan right now. Yeah, I am thinking about it. I'm not gonna put anything there. So because I didn't mention, for my foundation shade, I am using number 50 Deep Warm. And for my concealers for Tarte Shape Tape, I am using 53 Neutral Deep and Ultra Creamy Light Medium Sand 275. So I know I said this is going to be an affordable makeup look, y'all, but I'm going to admit I do not have an affordable face powder, like glue setting powder. So we're going to go with what's in my collection. And we're going to go in with Fenty because that's what I got. I got some other stuff, but they pricey too. So we're just going to go in with Fenty. I'm going to, woo, that is a lot. I did not mean to put a lot in my lid, y'all. Look at this. But too much in my freaking lid. Way too much. Way too much. So I'm just going to use the other side of my sponge. Use the little hand trick again, y'all. Haven't done that in a minute. And we are just going to pat. And when I mean like this look is like so simple, like we're not putting on no eyeshadow, no nothing. I put some concealer up here. We're just going to set it down with the powder. Because even though I'm probably only going to have this makeup on for maybe like 3 to 4 hours, I don't want it to move. So, and that's it. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I do. Everyone's different, but I know this has been helping my skin. Whatever I put in this lid, whatever I don't use, you guys, I discard it. I throw it away. I don't put it back in here. I don't. Some people might say it's a waste of product, but baby, once I spent my money, product's already wasted. Okay, regardless if I use it or not. So, anyways, now that I have done that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I am going to use an affordable setting spray. I think I am. So I might use this one here. This one here, you guys, is from Ruby Kisses. This is their matte oil controlling setting spray, ultra fine powder for shineless looks. Shake well before use. I think I purchased this from Amazon. I think so. You guys, I had this for a while. I do also have the e.l.f. Stay All Night Blue Light Micro Setting Spray. You know, this is an option too, but we're gonna go with this one today. And we're just gonna set our face down, then do mascara and all that other good stuff. If you have a issue with fragrances, you might not want to use this. This is very fragranty. It smells like some kind of floral. It smells pretty though. This smells very pretty. My concealer will not, I mean, not my concealer. My mascara will not be affordable because I am using what's open. So I got Il Makiage and their Real Magnetic mascara from Benefit. These are the two that's open. This one's kind of hard to get off when I'm washing my face. So we're going to go with Il Makiage. We're just going to use that to do just one layer of mascara on our lashes, you guys. Just one layer, like nothing too crazy. Here's the finished look, you guys. I think this look taking me about 10 minutes to do. If I wasn't talking, it would probably take me about 5 minutes, you guys. 5 minutes to do this really, really cute look. So this is my look for today. What's on my lips, I went ahead and I used the e.l.f. Squeeze Me Lip Balm. And I am using the shade Strawberry. Now it's like this. This is what I have on my lips right now. I'm going to keep it in my bag. That's what I'm going to use for today. Thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me. You guys, I will promise you one video a week. That's all I can promise, okay? I can't promise too much, okay? Because there's a lot of stuff going on. But anyways, Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Let me know what you guys want to see from me next. And I will talk to you guys again soon. Later. Bye.